Hi everyone, welcome to Artyka. Now we are going to conduct 1 day, 1 hour workshop. And whom that workshop? Yavar kosu kisliye? Those who are interested in art, those who like the paintings. This workshop for them, it is a very useful, very powerful, and definitely your way of path in the field of art will entirely change the thought process. Whatever you are thinking about the painting, the complete painting thinking process will change. So very important, those who are really interested in art, you must join this workshop. Just 1 hour workshop. What I am going to teach in this 1 hour live workshop, just I know everybody are interested to learn the painting, different art forms, Indian traditional art forms, Madhubani, these, that, and still life, nature drawing, object drawing, so many different type of sceneries. You are learning the different chapters, right? And you want to be a master in that particular art forms. That is different thing, children. Actually, what you are doing, you are just seeing and copying the art and doing. Copying, doing. Seeing and doing. Copying. Where is your own mind? Where you are using your own mind, where you are creating your own painting. So this workshop, I will teach you how to think differently. What is the process of creative thinking? So how to think creatively, what is the thought process you have to follow so that you can create your own style. You have to watch others painting different styles and then you have to convert in your own style. And in this workshop, I will teach you that process. You have to come out from the copying system and you should be a creator. If you are having a creative mind, in future maybe you are not artist, maybe you are engineer, definitely you will think creatively and you will create something new. That create something, that creative thinking, that point, if you develop in this childhood onwards, definitely whatever field you will choose for you in future, you will do something innovation things. You're not a copywriter, you will be a creator. So this workshop is very useful. Those who are not having interest in art, for them also, and those who have interest in art, for them also. Anybody can join and just think how to think differently, creatively in their field. So let's join. Don't waste the time. Just 1 day workshop, 200 members only having a chance, and fees is just normal 500 rupees only for each person. So duration is 1 hour, maybe it will go for 2 hours. It's a depend on how I am taking, how you are involving and how you are asking the questions, how I am clearing the doubts is based on that. Drawing compulsory, you should know that is not at all a matter. If you are not an artist, then also you can join, because I am not developing your hand skill, I am developing your creative mind. So let's start. How to join? For joining purpose, just send hi to our hi and creative thinking. These two matter you have to type and send to us by WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is 9490202411. It is given in a description, or you can join in given link. Right, children? Classes will date, when it will start, that one also we will mention in a description box.